KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Thursday, the 6th of September. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather heating up in coming days, highs up around 90. And the tropics are very active, especially out in the Atlantic. A lot of things to talk about. So let's dive in. Here we go. This is the upper air look. Big upper high on the middle Atlantic coast. That thing's been there for a while. The ghost of Gordon is southwest of Memphis. That thing is still seen clearly spinning away in visible satellite imagery, and we're on the moist side of that, so we have a few showers in progress. That was a radar this afternoon at 12:39. Around the lunch hour, a number of showers and storms over the northern half of the state, moving to the northeast today. Don't expect any severe weather, no tornado threat, but a few folks could see a heavy downpour, but they're moving along at a pretty good clip. The main risk of flooding with the ghost of Gordon is over parts of Arkansas and Missouri. Flash flood watches in effect there. Heat advisories for parts of the northeast United States. Check out the numbers, and again, these are around midday today. A lot of 80s from the deep south up into the northeast, but boy, it felt good this morning up north. International Falls, Minnesota, with a new record low this morning. They hit 28 degrees. How about that? Beat the old record of 33. Very cold for early September. There's the severe weather outlook through tonight. Got a marginal risk of severe storms for the northeast in advance of a surface front. This is tomorrow, and this is Saturday. No organized severe weather around here. And I really do think that showers and storms tomorrow and Saturday will be very widely spaced. There could be a few around, probably not many. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Heavier totals up north from St. Louis over to Pittsburgh. In Alabama, about 2 inches for the Tennessee Valley. 1 to 2 inches for Birmingham, about 1/2 inch for Dothan, and that's valid through Thursday of next week. And again, we should begin to see an uptick in the coverage of showers and storms next week over the northern half of the state, with a front stalling out just north of here. All right, tropical fans, it's a busy time of the year. Of course, Gordon is in, southwest of Memphis. Florence, struggling with some shear today out in the middle of the Atlantic. And a couple of waves in the eastern Atlantic. Here's a look at the 5-day outlook from the Hurricane Center. Both of those waves with a pretty good chance of getting their act together. The lead wave most likely will be Helene. The wave coming off the coast of Africa will most likely be Isaac. Let's talk about that lead wave. This is a look at the European ensemble output. And this is Invest 92, but again, this should be Tropical Storm Helene soon. And again, it's a big spread here in the members. 51 members, about half of them turn it north. The other half bring it toward the Leeward Islands and the Caribbean. The mean is the black line. That's the one you're looking for, and it just shows a slow gain in latitude out there north of the Leeward Islands. The bottom line is a lot of uncertainty here. Here's the intensity guidance on 92L. And again, this should be most likely a hurricane within 72 hours. And again, the name will be Helene. Let's talk about Florence in the middle of the Atlantic. The thing having a hard time today, just having a bad day. Sheer and dry air getting in the system. Still, though, a hurricane with top winds of 105 miles an hour. Here's the new track from the Hurricane Center. They bring it back to major hurricane strength by Monday morning. And by Tuesday morning, they've got it due south of Bermuda along 65 west. And what's going to happen from there? Well, let's take a look at the European ensemble. And again, it's kind of a split camp. 51 members. Some of them push it inland over the Carolinas. Many of them recurve it before reaching the United States. And again, you're looking for the black line. That's the mean, and the mean keeps it offshore. But like we've talked about, there's probably going to be some weeping and gnashing of teeth on the East Coast next week, fretting over this thing. Will it sideswipe the East Coast? Will it stay out far offshore? Will it come straight inland? The bottom line is we just don't know yet. And the intensity guidance, most of the models have it as a Category 2 or 3 hurricane out there in 5 days. But this should not be a Gulf storm, but we'll be watching. All right, model fans, let's go. The GFS, the 12Z run ballot tomorrow afternoon at 1. Got a flat ridge all across the deep south. As the upper high begins to strengthen, showers should be fewer in number tomorrow. There'll be a few out there, but probably not many. And a hot, muggy day. The high will be around 90 with a partly sunny sky. Same thing Saturday. Better chance of rain north and west of the state. A hot day for college football. The high Saturday around 90. Any showers few and far between. Both Alabama and Auburn have home games on Saturday. Alabama with an afternoon kickoff. They'll be probably at or just over 90 when that game kicks off. 80s for the Auburn game Saturday evening. Now, Sunday, a front approaches, and that's when the chance of showers and storms will increase for the northern half of the state. And then Sunday, the front stalls out between the Shoals and Memphis, and that looks fairly unsettled with scattered to numerous showers and storms. And that might be the case much of the week. This is Tuesday. Wednesday, of course, we're watching Florence. The GFS depicts Florence east of the Outer Banks at 929 millibars. Let's go to a week from today. This is Thursday the 13th. Little weakness in the ridge here. Got Florence very close to the Jersey Shore. Wow. I mean, the GFS on this run just hugs the coast with this thing. But remember, there's no skill this far out in trying to figure out where this thing's going to be. But we're in very moist air, so at least scattered, maybe numerous showers and storms. Check the European, same time. This is Thursday afternoon next week at 1 o'clock. This is deterministic output. We don't like to do this. We show it to you because if you watch these videos, especially this far in, then you're a true weather weenie and you understand the limitations here. But the 12Z deterministic has it around Virginia Beach as a pretty potent hurricane. But remember, this could be far offshore at this point. Let's go out 10 days, Sunday, September 16th. Still, if you're looking for a good pop of really cool air, that's not happening with this pattern. And again, that looks just kind of warm and dry. Here are the numbers. Next week, low to mid-80s for the first half of the week with clouds and showers, and then we might be close to 90 the following weekend, September 15th and 16th. And as we often say here, that first really good push of cool air for the fall season typically comes in late September, not early September. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening, on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.